These are the Mod 4 Part 4 notes, page 1, 5-number summary and box plots. We are going to continue what we talked about in the last module, that range in quartiles. We are going to assign some mathematical terms, make sense of this, and provide another visual representation for a set of data. So when we talk about the 5-number summary, first things first, our set must be in ascending order. Which means we need to organize the set from smallest value to largest value. Not a big deal when the set is small. As the set gets larger though, we are going to go ahead and go to Excel to let Excel do the work for us. So I'm going to list these in the order I find them, not necessarily in the order, not necessarily in the numerical order. So our minimum is always the smallest value in the set. That's easy enough to find once we have it in order. Our maximum is then the largest value in the set. We've talked about the median. This is the physical middle value in the set. Then we find our Q1. Which is our middle value in the bottom half of the set. And our Q3, which is our middle value in the top half of the set. Okay. So example 1, 2, how many? 3, 4, 5. I have 10 values. I'm going to go ahead and do this one by hand. Notice these values are already organized smallest to largest. So let's go in order. Our minimum here. Smallest value in the set. Our maximum is the largest value in the set. We have our median. In a set with 10 values, my median's going to live right here. I have got 5 values below, 5 values above. I need to find the average of those two numbers. Again, some of these are fairly easy. I'm going to go ahead and work this out so that when the numbers aren't as straightforward, it makes sense what to do. We get a 75 there. We have our Q1 value. Our first quartile, remember that cuts off the bottom 25% of the data. I have 5 values in the lower half. And so my first quartile is this number right in the middle. So I have a first quartile of 72. My Q3 or third quartile cuts off the top 25% or the bottom 75%. Again, 5 values in my top half. And I get a third quartile of 81. Notice maximum and minimum always remain a member of the set. Sometimes that median, though, is not. Okay. For example 2, I went ahead and used Excel for that. I've uploaded this as a Word document, so you have the video link for this. You will see once you take a look at that video that we have found the 5-number summary the same way basically we did here. I just didn't have to start by reorganizing all the data, and I'll be honest, first time I did that, I left out a number and my numbers were off. Okay, so as these sets get larger, Excel is helpful. I have instructions typed here. They follow the procedure I went through in the video, so I am not going to take the time to read these to you. Please reach out if you have any questions or if this is not working correctly for you. From Excel, we have a minimum of 1. We have a maximum of 94. That came right out of the sorted column. We found our median using the Excel command for median. I found the first quartile the same way. I found the median of the bottom half. And I found the third quartile the same way, the median of the top half.